Friends, this is chapter number 4, lecture number 1. In this chapter, there are 3 topics. One is the statistics, second is the counting techniques, and third is the probability. So, in the 2 lectures, we are going to finish statistics. 2 lectures, we will finish the counting techniques. And 3 to 4 lectures we will finish the probability. So the topic number 1. Topic number 1 is statistics. Now question comes, what is a statistics? So statistics is basically used to 3 type of things. It is used to number 1, summarize. Number 2, analyze. And number 3 is interpretation. Clear? Of what? Of a group of observations. So these 3 things we are going to study in statistics. Statistics is of 2 types. It is of 2 types. Number 1 is descriptive statistics. And number 2 is inferential statistics. Clear? Here we summarizes the observations. Clear? So we are studying descriptive statistics. In our course content is only descriptive statistics. Clear? And this part we will study in higher classes. Clear? Where we are used to analyze, or you can say analyze or interpretation of descriptive statistics. So my dear friends, here we are going to study the descriptive statistics, and in a descriptive statistics we are going to study in this we will study, this we will not study. Clear? Inferential statistics is not in our syllabus. So descriptive statistics we are going to study 2 things. One is measure, or you can say a little bit this measure, or we will take to next page, no problem, is descriptive statistics. We are going to study 2 things in descriptive statistics. Number 1, we will study the measure of central tendency, and number 2 we will study measure of variation. So sometimes they ask, measure of variation is a descriptive statistics. This is true. Measure of central tendency is a descriptive statistics. True. Measure of central tendency is a measure of inferential statistics. It is false. So descriptive statistics has 2 parts. One is the central tendency, another is the variation. This is the part of descriptive statistics. This is the part of variation. Now central tendency, we have three things: mean, median, and mode. These are the three central tendency we are going to study. And here the first one we study the range, then we will study standard deviation, and third we will study the variance. Clear? So there are many questions on these, this slide. Like we may ask you question. I will tell you one question. Generally we ask measure of central tendency is a inferential statistics. This is true or false. The question is clear. If you see the previous slide, you can see measure of central tendency is a descriptive statistics. It is not the inferential statistics. So what is the answer? Answer is false. This is a false statement. So true and false type of question we ask. This is question number one. What question number two we ask? Clear. Which of the following is a measure of variation? Option number A, B, C, and D. It is range, it is mean, it is median, it is mode. There are four options. Clear? So if you see previous slide, mean, median, mode are central tendency, not variation. Range, standard deviation is the variation. So option A is the right answer. And question number three, generally we ask which of the following is a measure of central tendency? This is option A, B, C, and D. So the first option is the range, then is the variance, then is the median, and then is the standard deviation, SD. Standard deviation is denoted by SD generally. Clear? So if you see the previous slide, measure of variation are three: range, standard deviation, and variance. Range, standard deviation, and variance. So what remaining? Median. Median is the variation of, means measure of central tendency. Clear? So these three type of question generally we ask from this first slide, this slide. Okay. Now we will learn how we measure all these things. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about only three important measures: mean, median, and mode. So first we are talking about the mean. What is the mean? Mean, it is known as arithmetic average. It is known as arithmetic average. Clear? And it is equal to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Right? Number of observations. Clear? So this is, it is denoted by there are two means notations. One is x bar, one is mu. This is named as mu. Clear? Okay. So x bar, it is for sample data. Sample data means a small number of observations, and it is used for population data. Population data means big data is given. Population data and sample data means small data. Small data means like 5 numbers are given. Clear? So if 5 numbers are given, 6 numbers are given, then it is called sample data, small data. But if more values are given, say 30, 40, 100, 400, clear? These type of values are given, then we call it population data. More than 30 values is known as population data. Okay, so we are studying only the sample data. So x bar we are going to study. So you just remember x bar is the notation for the arithmetic mean. You can call arithmetic mean, you can call mean, no problem. Okay, so mean or average or arithmetic mean. There are 3 names for this: arithmetic mean, and all are denoted by x bar. And what is x bar? It is if x1, x2, x3, xn, there are n values are given. How many values? N values. So upon is n. Clear? So x bar is sum of all the observations divided by number of observations, and it is denoted by sigma x upon n. Sigma means it is sigma x upon n. Sigma means sum. Sum means plus. So you need to add all the numbers and divide it by the total numbers. This will be equal to mean. Clear? So there are 3 type of data is given. Is a simple numbers is given, another is frequency table is given, then class intervals are given. So we are going to study all the 3 questions with their formula. So the first one is x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. So question number 1, if the data is simply given in the form of numbers, simply given in the form of numbers. Clear? This is first type of question. And what is the question? If marks of a student in quiz is given as, how it is given? Like 1, 5, 7, 7, 6, 8, 10, 9, 5, 10, 8. How many values are given? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10 and 1, 11. Clear? These values are given. So what is this? Find average marks or mean. You can call it average marks or you can call it mean. Okay, so how we are going to do? Because only simple numbers are given. Remember, if simple numbers are given, then the mean or the average or whatever we are calling it, it is given by sigma x upon n. What is sigma x? It is 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8. This is upon. How many numbers? Is 11 numbers. Clear? If you find the sum of all these numbers, you can add these numbers using calculator. The sum will be 76 upon 11. And if you will divide it by 76 by 11, it will be 6.91. So first type of mean when simple numbers are given. Clear? But if the observations are more, type 2, that was type 1, type 2. If observations are more, clear? If observations are more, then we need to change them in the form of table. This table is named as frequency table. Clear? So how we are going to do it? Let the marks are. Okay, so what are the marks? We are writing here 15, 20, 15, 18, 20, 13, 13, 16, 15, 19, 18, 15, 16, 20, 16, 15, 18, 16, 14 and 13. These are the marks of students. Clear? You can consider marks in the midterm 1 out of 20. So how many observations? Please check. 3 plus 3, 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 8, 16 and plus 4, it is 20 observations. How many observations? We have 20 observations. And so we will form a table. And how can we make it? It is, you need to draw the vertical line, another vertical line, and another vertical line, and this is the final line. So how we are going to do? We are going to write the marks here. Marks, this is the frequency and total. Clear? How we mark it? Clear? If you see here, what are the possibilities of marks? If you see, marks are 13 marks is there, 14 is there, 15 is there, 16, 13 is minimum. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Let us or these. Clear? So if you say first is 15, cut 15, mark one line here. 20, one line here. 15, one more line here. 18 is this one. 20 is this one. 13, 13, two times. Okay. 16 is this one. 15 is this one. 19 is this one. 18. Okay. 15 is this one. 16 is this one. 20 is this one. 16, 15, 16 and 15 means now it is 5. So whenever we have 5, so 4 and then we will cut it. It is a group of 5 always we make. This is called tally. Okay. So 15, now 18 is this, 16 is this, 14 is this, 13 is this. So what is the value of 13? How many times 13 is coming? 3 times. So 3 is the frequency of 13. Frequency means how many times it is repeating. 14, 1, 15, 5, 16, 4. It is not coming. So we will remove this. Okay. It is 3, it is 1 and it is 3. Now you find the total. It must be 20. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 5, 9, plus 4, 13, plus 3, 16, plus 1, 17 and 3, 20. This is if more numbers are given, then we can form a table. Clear? So how you will evaluate the mean in such a case when more data is given? If more data is given. Clear? So mean if a frequency table is given. Table is given. Then the formula of this is sigma fx upon sigma n, and it is sigma fx upon, generally it is capital N. Clear? What is f? Frequency. What is x? The observation. And total number. N is the total observations. It is 20. Okay, so it is marks. This marks are denoted by x. Then frequency denoted by f. And then we need to find f into x. This is. So to get the mean, we need to make a table. Clear? X, what is the value here? It is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 was not there, 18, 19 and 20. So this will be the end of it. This is, what were the frequencies? 3, 1, 5, 4. This I remember. 3, 1, 5, 4 and 3, 1, 3. It is 3, 1, 3. Now you need to multiply 13 times 3, 14 times 1, 15 times 5, 16 times 4, 18 times 3, 19 times 1 and 20 times 3. It is 60. Clear? So I want to tell you two important things. This f is denoted as sigma f and that is equal to 20. We already calculated. Clear? And this is named as sigma fx. Sigma means sum of fx. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17 plus 5, 22 plus 4, 26 and 9, 35. 3 carry. 3 plus 3, 6. 7, 7, 14 and 6. 20, 25, 26 and 6 is 32. So this is. So what is the mean? Mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f, you can say. This is in place of n, you need to change the formula. It is sigma f, capital N. So it is how much? 325 upon 20. Clear? You can use the calculator. 325 divided by 20. How much? 16.25. So average marks obtained by students in the class are 16.25. This is type 2 mean. Type 2 mean means when the data, big data is given and we need to change it. We need to change it in the form of a table, and that table is named as frequency table. And in frequency table the formula is this one: x bar equals to sigma fx upon sigma f. This is the formula. Now we'll move to type 3 mean. Mean of type 3. Type 3. Type 3 means when data is given in the form of classes. In the form of classes means something is given like you can take, this is called class. Clear? If we have more big data, understand, means here we are evaluating in the previous case marks for out of midterm, means out of 20 only. So we have less number of values. But if we evaluating marks out of 100, so there may be many values. In such a case, if 100 values are there, we divide it into small parts: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this one. These are called classes. We break them into big numbers. Clear? If this is there, like classes are there and frequencies are there. Frequencies are there. Clear? So how we are doing? Like, let us say 40 to 50. This is 50 to 60. This is 60 to 70. This is 70 to 80. This is 80 to 90. And this is 90 to 100. Let us say these are the marks. So no student is getting marks below 40. Every student is getting marks above 40. 40 to 50, how many students? Let us say it is 1 student. Let us say it is 2 student here. Let us say 5 student here, 3 student here, say 4 student here and 2 student here. Clear? So what is the meaning? Meaning is there is only 1 student between 40 to 50. There are 2 students between 50 to 60. There are 5 students between 60 to 70, like this one. Okay, then how we do? Then we find x mid. X mid means more. The middle point of x mid means middle point of class. Middle point of the class. And how to find the middle point of the class? It is this point plus this point. 40 plus 50 upon 2. And if you will solve by calculator, it will be 45. Then next, it will be 50 plus 60 upon 2. It will be 55. Similarly, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Clear? And this x mid will be equal to same as x in the previous question. This frequency is f. So what will be the formula for here? X bar is equal to sigma. Now it is not x, it is x mid multiply by f. Previously it was fx. Now f into x mid and downside is sigma f. Clear? So this formula you need to remember in case of class intervals are given. So we will solve a question here. And what is the question? Question is same question we are taking. Find the mean of the following data. Find the mean of the following data. So what is given? The class is given. Okay. Then what is given? Frequency. Means f is given. Okay. Then what we need to find? X mid we need to find. Okay, let us write 42, 50, 52, 60, 62, 70, 72, 80, 82, 90, 92, 100. If this data is given, we are going to analyze it. What are the frequencies? Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. These are the frequencies. Now you need to find the x mid. X mid means 40 plus 50 upon 2. So it is 55. Similarly, 65, 75, 85, 95 and into 4 this will be one we forget. It is first is wrong. We have typed the first one wrong. It will be 45. So there is one mistake here. 45. It will be 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. After evaluating this x mid, then you need to multiply f into x. So f into x mid. This is called x mid. And how much it will be? Now you need to find it. 45 into 1 is 45. 55 into 2, it is 110. Okay. 110. Then how much it is? 110 after evaluating this. 65 into 3. 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 6 is 18 and 1 19. 195. 4 times 75 it is 300. 6 times 85 it will be 6 5 times 30, 3, 6, 48 and 510 and 4 times this is it will be 380. Clear? Now you need to find two things. One, you need to find sigma f. 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 plus 6 16 plus 4 it is 20. And another you need to find fx mid. How much total? It is 5 plus 5 10 1 0 1 9 10 19 20 and 4 24 2 and 3 5 5 10 and 3 13 14 15. This is 1540. So what is the mean? Mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma f into x mid upon sigma f, and this is 1540 upon 20, and if you will divide it you will get 77. So this 77 is the mean. So my dear friends, there are three type of data. One is simple, very less number of data, count means 5 7 numbers are given. Another is frequency table is given, and another is class intervals are given. Then it is how to calculate the mean. So I tried to evaluate. This is mean number 1. This is mean number 2 and this is mean number 3. Now we will discuss about the second topic. Second topic is median. Median. Median means what? Median is the middle value. It is the middle value of the arranged data in ascending or descending order. Ascending means increasing, means all numbers will be arranged in such a way. First number will be small, second little big, third little big, fourth or more big, fifth more big, and last one is the biggest. And this is decreasing. Decreasing means first number will be bigger and the rest number will be smaller. Clear? So here there are two type of formulae. Formula means if we have n observations. If we have n observations, clear? Then case 1, n is odd. N is odd. Clear? So n is odd means the median will be n plus 1 upon 2th value. This is the median. Clear? But case 2, n is even, then median is equal to n by 2th value plus n by 2th plus 1 th value upon 2. Clear? This is how we evaluate the median. We will solve two questions here. Question number 1, find the median of it is 1 5 7 7 6 8 4 10 8 4 2 6 2 8 1 9 and 9 10. Okay, clear. Now what is the value of n? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And what is the 11? Odd number. Clear? So arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. First number will be small, 1. Then next number 4. Then next number 5. 1 4 5. What is the next number? It is 6. Then next number 7 7. Next number 8 8. Next number it is 9. And next numbers are 10 10. This is called ascending order. First one is the smallest number and last one is the biggest, highest number. Clear? Then median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th value. What is the n? 11 plus 1 upon 2th value is equal to 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 12 divided by 2 is 6th value. What is the 6th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7. So median of the above data is 7. Understand? Okay. So this is question number 1. And if we take question number 2, find the median of we are removing this 1. Rest numbers we are taking 5, 7, 7, 6, 8, 4, 10, 8, 9 and 10. So 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. Now even number we have taken. N is equal to 10. 10 means even number. And even number, so arrange in ascending order is equal to how much it will be? 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10 and 10. This is the ascending order. So what will be the median? Because it is an even number, so median will be n by 2th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value upon 2. What is the value of n? 10. 10 upon 2th value plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th value upon 2. 10 upon 2 is 5. 5th value plus 10 upon 2 is 5 plus 1. 6th value upon 2. What is the 5th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th value is 8. Oh no, here ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th value is 7. And 6th value is 8th upon 2. 15 upon 2. So 7.5. Median is 7.5. Okay, so this is how to evaluate the median. Now the last topic in the central tendency is mode. How to calculate mode? Mode is what? Mode, it is the value that appears most times. Most times means the number appearing maximum number of times is called mode. Clear? If no number repeating, then mode is equal to 0. Please remember, if no number is repeating, and if a number is repeating, then you need to search what number is meeting. If two numbers are repeating same number of times, then there will be two modes. This you need to remember. So If no number repeating, mode is 0. If one number is repeating more times, that is the mode. If two numbers are repeating by chance same number of times, then there will be two mode. This you need to remember. Example, find the mode of it is 1, 7, 7, 7, 6, 8, 10, 9, 5, 10. If you see, one number is not only one time, 7 number is 3 times, 6 is one time, 8 is one time, 10 is coming 2 times, 9 is coming one time, 5 is coming one time. Clear? So only two numbers are repeating, 10 and 7. But 10 is repeating 2 times, 7 is repeating 3 times. So which number is repeating more times? 7. How many times? 3. So the what is the mode? Mode is not 3. It is 3 times repeating. So mode is 7. This is. So in case of median and mode, only simple data is given. But in case of average, it is 3 types of data you need to evaluate. Okay, so thank you very much.